Luxury sustainable skincare. Clear and specific. Now, competitors. We'll add Tata Harper, just the name and website. The platform analyzes them automatically. Strengths, weaknesses, positioning, audience, all mapped out in seconds. That's accurate, so we'll keep it. Drunk Elephant and Herbivore Botanicals are next. The analysis is solid. This is your brand strategy. The AI assists, you decide. Now, let's use the AI suggestions to find other competitors we're not aware of and round out our competitive landscape. Now we position ourselves relative to the market. Premium pricing, innovative approach, and personal,